Slices and sticks. Half pepperoni pizza?
Half Italian cheese sticks.
This is more about the pizza.
No, it's more about the cheese sticks.
Pizza! Sticks!
Walk in and walk out at Little Caesars with hot and ready slices and sticks from 4 to 8 p.m.
The following is a weather alert for the following counties in Montana: Yellowstone, Stillwater, and Carbon. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a tornado warning for East Central Stillwater County in South Central Montana, North Central Carbon County in South Central Montana, Southwestern Yellowstone County in South Central Montana until 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:21 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 11 miles northeast of Worden, or 30 miles northeast of Billings, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hey, we are not doing this shit again. I already know all these alerts where the viewer doesn't fucking listen to us. I am not dealing with this shit again. Now listen, I am about to list a hazard, and you better keep your ears out or I will rip them out for you. There is a confirmed fucking damaging tornado and golf fucking ball sized hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Billings, Columbus, Laurel, Joliet, Billings Heights, Billings West End, Edgar, Boyd, Mold, Saleza, Cooney Reservoir State Park, Acton, Park City, and Rockvale. You know what? I will say this once again since you won't complain about your fucking program. Did you know our office tagged this shit as a PDS? No, then shut up. I am trying to save you, but one more piece of bullshit that comes out of your mouth will make me yell shit that has never been heard before over the emergency alert system in the building's operational area. Yeah, so shut the fuck up. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take... Okay, that is it. I gave you enough chances, you fucking moron, but you took me to the boiling point. You are a fucking bullshit ass-fat, annoying, complaining ass, ugly, sort of handicapped-looking piece of shit whose father has left for worker at a young age, and now all you do all day is shit that brings me closer to finding your house and killing you. What's that? You're a pussy and will run away? Good. Fear me. I hold innocent families, including their young children, hostage and threaten them with money or they fucking die. Everybody around me is like a fucking disease, and I don't think Hitler did anything wrong. I don't care if the FBI keeps track of my shit because I have grenades and other deadly shit set around my fucking house. Come closer, and I will fucking prevent you in the worst way possible and keep with the other so-called innocent people I have locked up in my basement. I am the only one that matters, and I am still waiting for the day you will die. I am your God, and I like to rule over you however I want, without any way of stopping me. I don't care if you're a pussy or if you're innocent. I want to show my gun collection to the next level to everybody around me, and I do not fuck around. I am so glad I have extended this award because I love to threaten others like you. Now look at you, shaking. I am more than just a CTS, and I am a murderer